I hereby order and direct that the nationwide dusk to dawn curfew that has been in effect from the 27th of March 2020 be and is hereby vacated with immediate effect.
Nirianirira riramukirirwo na gikeno kinene ni muingi guku bururi-ini no riratigire ciuria nyingi ciigie mathaa ma kuruta wira ma ene irabu na mikawa. Umuthi minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe agithathaura makiria mirutire yao ya wira kuria endia ya mongereirwo mathaa ma kuruta wira nginyanagia thaa 5 cia utuku kana kuringana na marua maria mundu ahetwo ma kuruta wira.
We are reverting to closure of bars and restaurants at 11 p.m. or the time allowed by the licensing authorities.
Mutahi augite kuongererwo kwa mathaa maya tigitumi kiganu kia Kenya makorwo makega kurumirira mawatho ma COVID-19, akiuga kuri na mabururi mamwe mekoraga hatikaini ni undu wa muingi kwagarara mawatho maya, akiongerera kuga ati mawatho ta maya ma gwithamba moko undu mwe na kuiga uraihu wa mita 1.5 no muhaka marumirirwo, akiuga aria makunyitikana makiagarara mawatho maya ni magukorwo magitunyukithio marua mao.
Are beginning to stretch their hands to greet others. Don't take the stretched hand. Just tell him yatosha. Just tell him yatosha, because that is the beginning of indiscipline.
Akihutia ciigie sekta ya ukui, Mutahi ni augite ministry ya ukui ni kuheana mwerekera ica ikuhi wa uria mawatho ma COVID-19 magukorwo magithingatithio. Kweherio kwa mamwe ma mawatho Mutahi augite ni ihinda riega ria Kenya kwiyumiria na njira nene kwamukira njanjo niguo gutigirira bururi ni wahota kung'ethanira na murimu uyu. Ihinda-ini riu Kagwe ni augite honge itiganite cia thirikari nirarutithania wira hamwe niguo gutigirira kiganda gia guthondeka njanjo kia Biovax nikiambiriria kurutithio wira na gigukorwo mwena wa Embakasi, guku akihithuria ati mwigana wa ciringi bilioni 2 nicigitwo keheri-ini kugura macini irirendekana.
We are still doing the preliminary works, but essentially that money is supposed to be for buying the equipment itself. You know, the form and feel is a sophisticated and complicated equipment that does not currently exist in our nation, and this is something that they have to order in terms of what they have determined themselves.
Guku njanjo 500 muthemba wa Johnson & Johnson igetanyo gukinya guku bururi-ini. Kagwe ni oritie kaunti riri na namba nini ya andu aria maramukira njanjo cihaririirie kugayania njanjo eno na kaunti iri na namba nene ya andu aria mareyumiria.
In the next 2 weeks we shall have received and supplied all doses required for us to receive our target of 10 million people by December. Later this evening, in fact, we shall be receiving an additional 500,000 Johnson & Johnson vaccines through the AVAT mechanism to bolster our efforts.
Ukinyaniria na riu gicunji kia 4.8 kia muingi nikio kiamukirite njanjo cieri guku bururi-ini, aria andu makiria ma milioni 1.3 guku wa Kenya milioni 3.4 magithecwo njanjo ya mbere. Kweherio kwa mawatho maria maragathikitwo ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ma kuhotomia utheremio wa murimu wa COVID-19 riu ni wigiririki waku ta Mukenya wa gutigirira ni wemenyerera kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu uyu na kumenyerera aria muriganitie nao na njira ya guthie kwamukira njanjo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV di kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.